Welcome to Technical Vijay channel. Today we will see NEET 2021 latest news. So as per the today's news, timesnownews.com has been released an article in that NEET 2021 exam dates, that discussion about the exam dates and whether it is to be conducted on online or offline. That has been conducted by the timesnownews.com by poll. So we will see that NEET 2021 exams, the dates have been, still it is not clarified, that dates will be announced in the end of this February or in the early March. So today, as per this survey, that 47% of the students want offline exams twice in June and July. NEET 2021 exam dates and mode, they have not been declared yet. In a poll, 47% students have been opted that whether it is to be conducted in offline mode or online mode. Okay, so that is to be there. So but want the exam to be conducted twice. But here, as per the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, that is NEET 2021 exam dates, they have not been announced as yet. As students await the same, many experts have been suggested that the examination may be conducted in June or perhaps in the July. Many have been asking for the examination to be conducted twice and even suggesting online mode of the exams. Students, however, want something different. So Times Now News have been conducted a poll. In that poll, how and when, most of the responses were in the favor of the exam being conducted in the twice. However, the favored choice continued to be offline. As many as 47% of the students have been voted for the NEET exam 2021 to be conducted in offline mode twice, preferably in June or July or August. In these 3 months, they are ready to write the exams. But here, only 38% of the students wanted the exams to be conducted in online or offline mode. The number of students in favor of the single exam this year were even less. Means most of the students wants the exam to be conducted twice. So that is the matter here. While only 9% voted for the single offline exams in June or July, just about 4% voted for online exams only. So here, by the survey conducted, so from this data we can see that when should be NEET 2021 to be conducted and how it is to be conducted. In this survey, the output has reflected that offline exams in June or July, this type of response has been given by only 9.67%, while offline or online, these students want whether the exams may be offline or online, but the exam to be conducted once only in June or July. The 4% students only, they have voted. And the third category of students, the exam to be conducted twice, that to be preferably in the offline mode only, that is in June, July or August. In these 3 months, offline exam to be conducted, but it should be conducted twice. That type of students are 47.72%. And one more category of students are there, they are asking twice to be conducted, whether it may be offline or online, and whether it is conducted in June, July or August. Only thing is twice to be conducted, that is 38.61%. And the total number of responses are 37,336 responses were recorded. The results also complement the requests on social media by the students who are asking for the exams to be announced. Many students have taken to social media to ask the Education Minister Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal to expedite the process and announce the dates as early as possible, because students are very eager to know the exam dates and the mode also, whether it is to be conducted once or twice or whether it is to be conducted online or offline. If they are knowing this matter, it is very much helpful for prepare for the exams. Okay, this is the news today it is came.